So you want to be a mermaid, Ariel? Let me show you how.
What do she do? I do everything. I move everything.
I am not looking for clout, no. I knew I would figure it out. I knew. I took the millionaire route, running up.
Good morning, y'all. Look where we're at. See my other videos, you know this is becoming my favorite place. Gail K. Gail K Fabrics. So let's see what we can find for the costumes. Okay guys, I've been here for 10 seconds and I've decided, wow, that's the quickest decision. It's so perfect. It's like different shades and it looks like scales. This one is cute too, but the black is like throwing me off. So I'm gonna get this one and it's cheaper. It's $25 per yard. So yeah, I'm just gonna commit. We'll get that. Okay guys, I kind of changed my mind. So this one is pretty. It's like dark green, but you know Ariel's fin is kind of greenish, but it's just like, I don't know, I feel like that's just so basic. And then I like this one's green, but this color's a little too light green. And I really like this one because it looks blue white. It looks kind of greenish too, and like dark blue, like, you know. But then this one's probably my best bet. I'll just have to make sure all the sequins are facing up because it's actually blue green, so none of them will look like this, like that. So what do y'all think? Okay y'all, I am in Dollar Tree, my favorite place. And so I found some seashells. I'm gonna get this pack and this. I really don't need both, but this one has like those little barnacle looking things. So, and like other like little teeny tiny seashells like this. I'm gonna get some of this adhesive pearl trim, and it's sticky, so it's gonna make it easy. I think I'm gonna get that. It's vase filler. Then I have this. I don't need this for anything, but I've never seen this before, and I'm gonna get it. It's only $1. Well, $1.25, I forgot. And then for the bra to cover the pink, I'm gonna get this purple lavender trim. I think we should be good to go. Hi lovers, it's Priscilla up here, back with another DIY video. It's been a minute. It's been a little time since I've done one of these, and I believe that I was a mermaid in my past life. Ariel was one of my favorite Disney princesses, so for this past Halloween, I decided to recreate her look. Here I am getting my nails done by the infamous Art Mother in Atlanta, Georgia. I had to get the nails to match the fit, which you guys will see. Boom, here it is. And I am so excited about this DIY costume. I wanted to make it cost effective, so I'm going to explain all the details from head to toe on how I created this look. So let's get into it. So I'm starting with a bra that I already had that I don't really use. You can get one at Walmart or somewhere cheap for like $3 to $5. Found this hard rock seashell, and it's huge, guys, on Amazon. Will be linked in the Amazon storefront. These are the Dollar Tree items that I got. And this I got from Walmart. So this was the look I was going for. Kylie was the inspiration, but I also liked how she did her bra sideways. Ariel has her seashells sideways. So I was going back and forth if I wanted to be up and down or sideways, and you'll see what I decided. But since the seashell is kind of cream, I wanted to make it purplish to match Ariel's top. Also, the bra is purple, but I didn't have a purple bra, so that's why I got that ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it to kind of cover the outsides and the base of it, as you can see here. And then we're going to fill in everything else with the seashells, the crystals that I had, and the little barnacles that we all got from Dollar Tree. Now, everything else will be linked in the Amazon storefront, guys, so please check it. It will be in the description box. And those adhesive pearls I have here, I'm cutting it to size because I ran out of ribbon, and I'm just adding it to the bra to like embellish it a little bit, make it look good. Even though it was sticky, I did use a little bit of the hot glue gun to reinforce it, and I used the hot glue gun to glue all of the seashells on top of it. So this seashell was already purplish, and I was like, oh, let me just put this in the middle to just give it some oomph, you know, a little extraness, a little pizzazz on it. But this is how it's looking, guys. It's turning out really, really cute. I kind of ran out. I didn't want to put too many of the seashells on the back of the bra because it needs to be able to still be stretchy to clasp onto your body. But, you know, just to add a little bit extraness, I had those vase fillers and a couple of pearls that I have from a previous project, and I just started adding it in the middle. Stop y'all, show y'all in real time how pretty this color is. Like, it's the prettiest iridescent purple. As you can see, it blends in with that purple ribbon so perfectly. Like, I still want you to see the striations and the coloring of the shell, but I just wanted to brush on this lavender color to make it more like Ariel's top. So yeah, this was such a good find. I randomly got this in Walmart. I'm obsessed. Okay, but just watch the rest of this because we're almost done with the top. Then we're gonna move on to the skirt. I'll be back. So this random pearl string that I got from Dollar Tree is actually like an eyeglasses like catcher to wear over your neck so your glasses don't fall. But it was like $1. So I was like, okay, I can use this as a pearl, and I'm just adding like a little extra embellishment for the top, which you guys will see later. And this is the fabric that I chose at the fabric store. It was actually on sale, and they only had a little bit left, and I only needed a little bit. And to make the skirt, I'm just sewing a little corner pieces together, just 2 of the corner pieces together. I draped it around my body first, and then just sewed that little bitty of a stitch just so I could have a side skirt with a slit. So we're moving on to the hair, and I got this wig from Amazon as well. We'll be in the Amazon storefront. It's from Beauty Forever. It's very popular on TikTok, and I had to try it, and I was obsessed. It wasn't that expensive, and this is what it looks like. We're going to customize it a little bit so we can make it look realistic, because that's the look that we're going for. We're going for the realistic Ariel, just like the new movie that's coming out. So we're just bleaching the knots. I'm using L'Oreal Quick Blue 40 volume developer. I kept it on for about 45 minutes and washed it out. Now, mind you, since the hair is already red, I don't advise to do this. You would definitely need to use a color remover. And then if the knots are black when you use the color remover, since it's red, then you can bleach the knots. But it made it a little bit red at the roots, but it didn't look bad. I'm just plucking here to make it a little bit more realistic, but it did come a little bit pre-plucked, so it was fine. And I love the curl pattern and this tone of color. It's like a ginger auburn kind of color, which looks similar to what Hallie's looks like in the new movie. So let's get into this install. I am using a sheer pantyhose for my stocking cap, the Bow Hold Active Kit with the Skin Protect and the glue. And I'm just tying it down, letting it dry. And look at that melt. Look at that melt. As you can see, the little red that I told you about, but I don't hate it. It's not terrible. And I'm just styling it up now to show you guys a little bit. And the next clip will reveal what the top looks like. And here it is, ladies and gents. We are now Ariel, honey. It's a whole new world, okay? Here is what the side skirt looks like. Oh my gosh, I gagged. The pearls, the crystals, the seashells feels real. Everything looks amazing. The sequins look like scales and they reflect the light. It's all so perfect. Guys, I got these stockings from Amazon. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront. But they're basically white stockings. They're the bigger size, and it came in a pack of 2. The other ones are white stockings as well, but they're smaller mesh. But they have crystals on them. cute, right? So cute. So since it's gonna be freezing tomorrow, plus I just think it looks cute like a captured mermaid in a fishing net, we're gonna cut this band and then we're gonna cut ends of this. Cut my headpiece. This is like the middle, the crotch part. We're just gonna cut right there in the middle. You see that center triangle right here? We're just gonna snip that real quick. Right there. Boom. Okay guys. I look like I have like so many jewels and pearls on my nails right now. I had to use stockings to put my fingers through these so I don't rip the fishnet. Let me show you this side. You can see it. Okay. She's a little hole. And I can get her over my hand. Okay. Boom. Thumb is in the hole. The hole. Right here. Okay. Okay. I think she'll be fine without it. Yeah, she'll be fine without it. She'll be fine for sure. See, that's what the front looks like. I'm gonna cut the back though. When I come back, guys, I'll be able to show you the full look from top to bottom, the skirt, my shoes, everything. Can't never leave house without your comb. You know what I mean? I really feel like being a mermaid comes to me naturally. Do you guys agree? And I just want to show you the purse that I am showing you guys here. It's also from Amazon and it does have a clasp open with a removable chain strap. Never leave the house without your comb. Come on. If you guys decide to recreate this look, you can also get your fabric from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's, places like that if you don't have a fabric store, because they do have deals on fabric. Since my bra was so heavy because the seashells are huge and real and hard, I bought some clear straps to attach to my bra so it still looks like it's strapless, but it is a clear strap that's reinforcing it, and I got that from Amazon as well. For my makeup, I wanted to keep the base neutral, but for my eyes, I wanted to be very mystical, so I doubled up lashes and added crystals, and it's so cute. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you decide to try it, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you're going to see the movie, because I'm going today. Now, the next clip will be me on Halloween when I wore it. I'm about to show you the girls. Look, I got the glitter, y'all. The glitter. Who are you? Gurnett. That's from that cartoon, ain't it? I don't know what. Universe. That's crazy. I don't watch cartoons, guys. YouTubers, you know her. Mrs. Incredible. Period. Period. Stretch Force. Is that helping me? Ooh. It's Ariel. Yeah. What's going on? Yeah? Yeah. Look at the material. Look at the yeah. Yeah.
She's taking it.
From Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Dollar Tree pearls.
Yeah.
I caught him in that, but didn't.
Yeah.
Who got legs and a man?
Yeah.
Cover's very own.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huge
Yeah.
Hugh's favorite.
The party in the audience.
Favorite.